just like you're young again. No, don't you cry, just get back up again. 'Cause if you wanna last a little bit, if you want love and stay together, if you wanna smile and be forever, she was the curious kind, to hate she was blind, always the nine, just come on me. She couldn't quite figure out, but feel about, so she put it aside, all night I played, and everybody talked about her, said there must be something wrong with this girl. She said live your life, just so young and don't you cry, get back in. If you wanna lie later, I want lady, if you want me forever. Anybody can make her feel down. She was all smart from me to Eve, baby, and everybody wanted it from. Wish you ever know the feeling of tears. All she said to them was live your life, just like you're young again. Don't you cry, just get back up. If you wanna last a little bit, if you wanna stay together, if you wanna love and be forever. You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, straight around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you worn out, sweating
Welcome aboard this flight.
Before we take off, we'd like to run you through a few in-flight safety exercises.
The only way is up.
Hi, everybody. In the next 3 minutes, we're gonna work hard, work out, and get you fit to fly. Let's go! First, let's stretch it out and lose that baggage. Stretch it up to the overhead locker or slide it under the seat in front of you. Stretch and slide. Yeah! You're a giraffe! Now it's seatbelt time. When the seatbelt sign comes on, buckle it in. Grab, click, pull. Grab, click, pull. Nice and snug, low across the hips, but not too tight. And to undo your belt, just lift the flap. No sweat. Remember, you must follow crew instructions and lighted sign. If your oxygen's dropped down, it's time to breathe. Pull it down over nose out, pull the stick tight, and breathe normally. Remember, put your mask on first before you help others. Don't worry if it's feeling a little flat. The oxygen will flow automatically. Okay, now for the recommended brace positions. If there's an emergency during takeoff or landing, if you can reach, just lean and brace on the seat in front of you. Or, this is one of my favorites, it's called the duck. Flat feet, elbows outside your thighs, hands on your head, and duck on down. Now let's see where your life jacket's at. Down here, under your seat. Okay, everybody, do what I do. Out of the pouch, over the head, clip together around, pull it tight, and get those arms moving. This red tag inflates your jacket. Only pull it when you step, step, step outside. If your life jacket's short on air, grab the mouthpiece here and blow and blow. Yeah, you're pumping it up. And if you've got an infant on board, the crew has a jacket for your baby. And sorry, this flight is strictly non-smoking. It's a safety hazard, so the captain says, let's kick butt.
The only way is up, baby.
If the lights go out in an emergency and the lights come on down here, it's time to move. Look around and see if anyone needs your help. These lights lead you to the exit. Come on, everyone, let's pony! Your crew are now pointing out the exits. The nearest could be behind you. Count those. 3.
I'm on aim for cruise.
Stop broadcasting.
Don't think this time has ever said that to me.
Electronic devices, even the cool ones, can interfere with our systems during takeoff and landing. So switch it off. Now, if you switch it to flight mode first, then turn it off, you can use it later in the flight. We're nearly done. During takeoff and landing, here's what we do. Tray tables back, seat upright, seatbelt on. Fantastic! If you need more information, it's on your safety information card. Now, you're fit to fly!
We hope you've enjoyed the safety exercise briefing.
Thank you for flying with us today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
The only way is up, baby. For you and me now. The only way is up.
If things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go waste another day, mess it up again, stand my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home, I hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so it can never be? fly. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.